I've never been on a live for Gold God.
You serious?
Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Chatting for chattings. Bang, bang, boom!
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the Righteous, sir.
You done, sissy, a king, though. Yeah, guys, that one is epic. I'm know to see the title already, and you know what we are come with. Don't it? Don't it? Alright, so. We're gonna just get tonight.
Right tonight, guys. No delay.
Tonight.
Straight tonight.
Tonight. Yeah, tonight.
So, King is gonna go first with the first question. So, let's go.
No, I'm not go first, you know, guys. We're gonna rock, paper, scissors, that one. That's what I say, guys.
Let's
yeah,
do
we
this.
now go first.
Let's do this. And the winner who win will go first. Ready?
No? The winner will win. Select if them want go first, or decide who them want go first. I saw it go.
Alright, guys.
Yeah. So I could just go in.
Alright, the winner can select who they want to go first or they go first. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Paper, this.
Rock that and
yeah,
scissors,
and
this
this
so
smash
you
up,
win.
this smash up, yeah. So you have to go first.
Alright, guys. So, what you guys think is the first question? Alright, I have the question on a phone and his question is in a book. Alright, the first question is, when was the last time you bathed with only water?
When was the last time I bathed with water?
Only water. Water alone and say you bathe.
Guys, that easy. You never bathed with water alone yet?
So water, no soap, no nothing.
No, you never run out of soap yet and can't afford a soap. I want to leave now fab soap. Not even carbolic now blue soap. Not even the blue soap are coming at the high grade fab. Here we go on, guys. To be honest, when last time I bathed with water alone? Boy, long time still, you know. But here we about a year ago.
You believe him, guys?
Water alone.
You believe him?
Water just a run down for me, I just have the rag and rub my body, so. Just a rub my body.
And answer
No
the question
soap.
in the comment section
No
also.
soap.
When was the last time you did that?
No soap. I mean, no, everybody's supposed to try that already, guys. Everybody's supposed to try that. If you never try it yet, lie at it. Alright. My question, never give she no, because she think that it epic. Watch out on you. When was the last time you were in the mood? No, God! When was the last time you were in the mood? Yeah, guys, that one is epic.
Guys, anything you answer that question there? I don't feel like I want to answer now, but you just have to go on and answer the questions. And I would say, yeah, be honest, right? This evening.
Oh my God!
This evening.
Like she tell guys, just a while ago.
This evening
guys,
is my question. This
guys,
evening.
guys,
This evening.
just a while ago.
This evening.
Just a while ago. Just a while ago. Let's see she there go about this evening. Just a while ago. In the mood. It go, baby, and I rub me down. And assault me.
Nope. Alright then.
Don't talk.
Since as you want to go that route, you want to expose me, me will expose you too. Okay. When was the last time you had a dirty dream about me? And be honest, don't tell me
Dirty
lie.
dream. Guys, them days they are from fitness stage. Big man now have wet dream again.
I didn't say a wet
So we don't
dream.
know what
I
kind of
didn't
dirty
say
dreams you
that.
are
No,
talking
no. Comment down below and tell me if wet dream is different from
Guys,
having a
you have
normal
dirty dream. You have dirty dream? But a matter of fact, what is a dirty dream? I would like
Alright,
the definition of a dirty
let me
dream.
clarify. When was the last time you had a sexual dream about me?
Guys,
out there.
Guys, what kind of question that? If you don't really feel like I'm for answer a question like
You
that.
see how look why me never want answer, so I'm have to answer now.
Guys, a question there. It's a rhetorical question. There's not an answer for that question.
Me not answer no more your question. Then me go tell you
You
the same
understand
thing
what I
too.
say, guys? That's rhetorical. But
Nah answer no
anyways,
more.
every night. Every night.
Para.
Move from us, man.
Okay, guys. Okay. So every night. Let us see. When was the last time you eat dumpling?
Well, on there, how are you? Oh, it's so much question you want to ask one time.
I hear it.
Oh, what is father?
You come nearly give
My
him a
girl,
question.
you jump the gun, brethren. Easy yourself. You jump the gun. When was the last time you argued with someone?
When?
Why?
Today I win. 2 days ago?
You serious?
2 days ago?
2 days ago?
2 days ago. 2 days ago.
2 days ago.
Alright, my question. When was the last time you had dumpling and butter? Guys,
I love dumpling and butter.
but when was the last time?
Since week, me eat dumpling and butter, guys. I think today what? Alright, the video I go post now. And today Wednesday. And when me eat dumpling and butter, Miss B, remind me, sometime in a week. I think Sunday,
Sunday?
Like Sunday rice and peas me eat, guys. We not gonna tell the life on that. I think Saturday, me eat dumpling and butter. Saturday.
Sure
Yeah, guys, but me put cornmeal in my dumpling because I love cornmeal in my dumpling. So Saturday, me eat some cornmeal with butter infused with the flour. So you know, me eat that in and boil it till it al dente. Then we just add some butter on it. Yes, Saturday. Where were you? You not get none?
No, that me I wonder.
You not have to get none. I never have to look after nothing for you.
Who are you?
I never have to look after nothing for you. You did have sausage and thing in the bag.
Oh, that day there. That day I remember. Alright, your question. How is your day going, guys? How is your morning, afternoon, whenever you're watching this video? How is it going for you?
Guys, that one is epic. Yeah. And here the question I'm going to ask her. When was the last time you lied to me?
If you know me, you know that I'm a transparent person. Whether or not I'm going to get a backlash for it, I'll just tell the truth. Aww. I'll just tell the truth. So, I haven't.
I don't believe that, people.
That's the truth. Okay. So, I can see that he doesn't believe based on his reaction. So, we'll get in the next question. When was the last time you cried and why?
My girl, what do you mean by my last time I cried? Last time I cried upon one of my videos them was Scars and Injuries.
Hey guys, if you don't watch that video there, you need to watch it and it is in the description down below. It's a bit emotional, so be careful of the comments you leave on that video and keep it positive. Okay.
Alright guys, so she gone. Expose me and me done bring it to the world. She fool like duck. What you wanna know, guys? When was the last time you spoke with your ex?
You serious?
Spoke with your ex.
Alright guys, first and foremost, if you know me, I'm a person like this. If I cut you off and done with you, I just done with you. I don't want to have nothing to do with you.
That answer the question.
No, let me get into it now. I'm done with you. I don't want to have nothing to do with you. So, you could just block you on all platforms. So, we just not go talk.
That answer the question.
From we break up, why we need to talk again? And we decide say we don't want to be together. Alright, then. Since him gone pan X, I have one question for him. When was the last time you thought about your ex and what bring you to that thought?
Last time you think about my ex.
I want to hear the answer.
Well, thinking about, you have to be careful in the refer to thinking about,
Alright, like she
Thinking
come
of a lot,
by your mind or...
Come by my mind. Why?
Guys,
Why?
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 Guys,
Why?
guys? Walk
Hot.
on your mind, or just randomly. You know, him know the question when me ask him. So I don't know why he might try go south. Answer. When was the last time? Me want hear.
The last time.
When was it? You see that? How long we are wait for complete silence and no answer?
Don't remember, you know, because
Serious?
that quite a while. I mean, I really want to put
Quite a while, as
put
in
time
months,
on it.
years, days, weeks, hours, minutes, seconds.
I say only per months now. Okay.
Okay. Wanna believe him? Comment it down below if you don't believe him, because it takes so long for answer. Drop it down below if you don't believe him. Okay. My next. Why you look at me like that?
Hold on then, so you gotta ask me 2 questions. One, someone must look upon you like that.
Oh, but you not ask. You're supposed to keep it
Yeah,
going.
play this unfair, brethren.
No, guys. Comment it down below if I'm being unfair, because...
Stop your nice boy. Comment. You're unfair.
No. If I ask a question and it's taking a long time to answer, then I'm gonna think I'm supposed to go again, right?
When was the last time you got upset at me?
2 days ago.
Lies. Just a while ago, guys.
Alright, guys. That wasn't necessarily me being upset.
Grab up the camera and say she nah do no video and a bag of thing. I mean, I say, watch ya. I want to her.
Because he might behave like him never want to do it. So I say, tell me if you want to do it, yes or no. Because...
Guys, my vibes broke. I never did want to do it a while ago for true. So all she did here talk to the wall, she attack. You know, her mind. Team King over here, so.
You see, guys.
And in the comment section, Team King all the way, every day.
Understand? You see, true, everybody has said Team Ali. He want to feel special to say Team King. But here what? Team Ali all day, every day. You feel me?
I want to monopoly. Easy
Epic
yourself.
things them a come.
Move on to the next question and stop
You
your
see him a
nice.
rush me when me ask him, I say me a move too fast.
Move on to the next question. Yeah, you take up time, Bridging. And time is the master. Time is money, and these people on the platform, they know that.
Alright then. Stop look for my question then. When was the last time you had some real fun where you have great memories that you said, Jano, I wish me could have go back to that day then?
Oh, great fun. 2018. Up a blue hole.
Well,
St. Mary. Right at the borderline so with Ochi. Because our people always have it as rare as Ochi, you know, but it's really St. Mary because of the borderline. Yeah, that was the day when I run out on the swing there. Swing out and some Lego guys and cause a clock come in the water. Oh my
guys,
word.
me.
You said I collide with the
Nah,
water.
that.
You said I collide with the water, guys. You ever collide in a truck yet?
Nah, do that.
You ever lick up in a driving truck? You are going 90 miles per hour and it come 100. A summer feel.
Oh my God!
Summer feel.
But that is not a good feeling.
That's why it's memorable. That's why it's memorable.
I'm weird, guys, because if that's not a good feeling, yes, it's gonna be memorable, but you serious?
No. I'm not serious. No!
Ask the question, sir. Oh, no.
When was the last time you watched porn?
Guys, it's been such a long time. I don't have any reason to watch that.
I
Seriously.
don't understand what has been a long time, guys. You don't need that date, you don't need that time, you don't need where, when.
He might do about the same thing to me. Well, I would say years now because I have...
What is years?
Years as in 1 year, 2 year, 2 year, thereabout. I don't have any reason.
So what the
watch
reason
it.
for watching porn? Why you used to watch porn?
Alright, guys.
Come on, know why you watch porn. Because,
Yeah,
guys, would I love to know why she watching porn.
Okay, guys. I'm a person where I like to educate myself, and you know, being a female, if you go and ask person's question, it might come off to be disrespectful or you're going like you're big. You feel me? So I watch to educate myself. Wow! I watch to educate myself.
What kind of education are you?
Me not answer
guys,
no more. Me not
so
going any
about
further. I'ma give you
what is there to be
answer.
educated about porn? More than all these females are males are male
Leave
and
me alone and
female.
stop discriminate me. You see? You see what I'm
What is
talking
there
about?
to be learned?
That's what I'm
Guys,
talking about.
remember this now, guys. And young man and young ladies, may I refer to Uno out there. Sex is like driving a vehicle. So the first time you have sex,
yeah,
it's basically the same time like driving a vehicle. You will learn. It takes time. It now I don't know where you feel. And if you watch and show and experiment.
I never say experiment, you know.
You understand,
I say
guys?
I watch to educate myself.
I'm not referring to you. May I talk to the young people them now.
Okay.
You understand, guys? It's not a thing where I'm not going to watch and experiment. It's a thing where it come with emotions. It come with feelings. You know, just happen. Some people just plan for sex and just go have sex. And not the right way. That is no sex. Then that's not enjoying. You want when you touch her and she say, oh baby, don't stop right there, so baby, right. And that you want hear in her ear. You know what she say, that's too hot. Take time now. She not enjoy. So now I get the pre. So that's the thing there, guys. She have to enjoy this. And when you stay some miss out her life, now she start to reminisce. What up herself and all the man that there she there with
you
now.
not giving it too much, guys.
Man she there with now start problem in her lifetime start saying, no babes, this but I don't know what I go on here, so
guys,
anyway, moving forward.
Me I'm gonna ask you about the same question to answer.
The same question.
When was the last time you watched porn?
Darling.
You see him unfair. Listen to his
She
answer.
ask me just there tell her.
It's a
me
question,
just there tell her about
nevertheless.
porn and she ask me about when last me watch porn.
Yes,
Guys.
because you have people
Guys.
who talk and talk down about
Guys.
others and they're doing the same.
Guys,
Make
when
me
I listen
talk.
what me I say, guys, with this porn thing. Me never watch porn and me no watch porn. You see,
So you never
you
yet.
see
Hold on.
You see, if me say anything concern porn, it would be like in a movie. And my mother always tell me a little boss me and say, "Guy, your bed, lock it, go guy bed. School tomorrow." So watch. So guys, me not really get a chance to watch porn. And in my time growing up, you never have smartphone. No. Internet, very few people had it. Me I tell you that in my time.
So wait, mama ask you a question, no?
This thing
See,
with
now
this
give me a
porn
chance.
and all of that, and me never have cable, so me never have no decoder. So nobody wonder, say me used to, no. You understand? Me grow rough. You understand? I'm glad me grow rough, so me know how to survive. Another part them I'm glad. So you see me they grow like one of them uptown youth there, or one of them rich kid there. Maybe right now to that wicked in a pandemic, but is it true me grow rough? Like it just easy. You can't really explain it. You might not understand when you say just easy. It just easy. Me just live, and that no means we just live for today or tomorrow alone. We live for every day because we make preparation for that. You understand? It might not be big. We might not live in a Gibson. We might not drive a Benz, but we're alright. We're alright.
Guys, we just sit down and listen to him and hear him just a talk right around the question without answering the question, right? I ask you, when was the last time you watched it? I'm not talking about child days where you get beaten for looking. When did you watch it as an adult? Answer that question.
As an adult?
Yes.
Guys.
And don't lie.
I don't buy porn CD.
Jesus. People.
I don't go on the internet to watch porn.
Let us
when
this
these guys
here.
comment and put the porn site under my video, I personally remove it. I don't do porn. And I because remember guys, the type of video we do, a lot of kids watch them because they are very exciting and fun. So we try our best to keep it on that level.
PG. Alright, so we're not going no more on this because this channel is PG. Okay?
And we are straight from the question and my turn again, right guys? So I'm going to ask her one more question.
Go on.
When was the last time a guy try to talk to you and you know me I talk about? Put the looking argument to you.
Okay.
Cross the line and I say, baby, Need it in my life, you know. Yeah, when was the last time?
Alright, guys. When was the last time? And I actually told you about
No,
this.
no, you're not telling me nothing.
Guys, me tell him.
Talk to the people, them. Don't tell me nothing. Tell me. Talk to them.
Okay, guys. I was in a store purchasing some stuff, and there was this gentleman saying, "Oh, shorty, brownie, you look nice and stuff." And I'm like, okay, now pay the man no mind, you know. Remember, guys, we're living in a COVID crisis, right? He's now coming up to me, and if you know me, you know that I don't like anybody too close to me, right? And COVID now, so I'm being careful. Always wear my mask, always sanitize. Ensure you do the same as well. Have to keep safe out here, right? So now he might come up close to me. I'm like, sir, can you back off a little bit because you're coming too close and you don't in a mask? He's like, hold on a minute.